Welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal and today in this tutorial I will show you that how to create a heart shape in Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So let's get started. So the first way to create a heart shape is select the rectangle tool and I am going to create a rectangle like this. Now select the direct selection tool and click on this inner point and drag to make its corners round like this. Now I am going to rotate it by 45 degrees. Now take a copy of it and rotate it 45 degrees on the opposite side. Now place this shape like this. Now select everything and now we are going to divide this by using the pathfinder panel. If there is no pathfinder panel showing up here, just go to window and here pathfinder. Or you can hit Shift Ctrl F9 on your keyboard. Now we will click on divide. The shape has been divided, but it is still grouped together. So we have to ungroup it. Just select the shape and go to Object and Ungroup. Now just delete these parts. Here you go. This is how you can make a perfect heart shape. Now another method to create a heart shape is select the rectangle tool and by holding Shift key create a perfect square and rotate this at 45 degrees like this. Now select the pen tool, hold the pen tool on the edge of the square. Now hold the Alt key and drag. And while dragging and holding Alt key, also press the Shift key to make it a perfect semicircle like this. Do the same on the another edge. Here you go. So this is the another way to create a perfect heart shape. Now another way to create a heart shape is select the ellipse tool. Now create a circle. Hold Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. Now I am going to copy it by holding the Alt key and drag and place it just next to the circle. Again, take a copy of the circle and place it below in between the two circles like this. Now select the pen tool and make a triangle in between the circles. Now delete the circle which is placed below. You will get a bird kind of shape. Now scale the triangle by holding the Shift key like this. Then select all the shapes and we are going to unite them from the Pathfinder panel. Now grab the Delete Anchor Point tool and we are going to delete these anchor points. Just click on the anchor points to delete them like this. Now select the direct selection tool and drag these handles a little like this. Here you go. So this is also a method to make a heart shape. Now Another way to create a heart shape is select the rectangle tool and make a square. Hold the shift key to create a perfect square. Then take a copy of it by holding the Alt key and drag. Now select the direct selection tool and drag the inner points inside to make it a perfect circle. Now place this circle here. Half circle should be inside the square and half outside, like this. Again, copy this circle and place it above the square, like this. Then select all the shapes and we are going to unite them from the Pathfinder panel. Here you go. This is the another way to create a heart shape. So these are the methods you can use to create a heart shape quickly. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.